Hey guys, and welcome to the start of a new weekly vlog. It is Friday and my voice is a bit deeper today and I'm feeling good, but I'm feeling a little bit fragile because last night my bestie came round and I haven't seen her in so long. She moved to Portsmouth. She was my old housemate. She moved to Portsmouth when I moved here with G, and she's been there the whole time, like quarantining by herself, and she's the one that I've been doing those workouts with. And she came back to London to see her parents, and last night we went for a drink and had a takeaway, and it was just the loveliest evening. And I feel so grateful that we were able to do that considering the circumstances. COVID has really, like, not that I wasn't grateful before, because I think I'm a very grateful person, but COVID has really made me appreciate everything more 10 times. Like, even just going to a restaurant, I guess I kind of took that for granted before because it's always been available to me, but over COVID, like, everything's just a little bit more magical. I have a couple of brand jobs to shoot today, so I'm just gonna get ready for that. And yeah, got a nice just chilled Friday evening at home. We've got a ready meal to put in the oven. You okay, little one? Oh, we had a vet round yesterday, a home vet. Came round because Maurice has another eye infection, so he's got eye drops to do again, but we did them this morning and he did very well. You okay? He's getting so big now, I can't even, he's like the size of a normal cat now, I think, feels like it. And he hasn't stopped growing yet, so he's gonna be huge. You okay? Your paws are all wet because you've been in the bath. I love it when he just comes and sits on my lap. It's my favourite thing. Oh, I think he's feeling a little bit needy today. Can't even get over this little guy. Oh, he looks so chill, so comfy. Today hasn't been that productive, which I'm kind of sad about. I've been waiting for something to come through before I can take a picture of it. It hasn't come, which I'm really sad about. So I'm going to have to do the rest of my work on Monday. But I went to the post office to drop off some returns, and now I'm going to change the bed sheets. It's like 4:45 and I'm going to have a bit of a tidy and clear up around the house, because there's nothing worse than waking up on a Saturday morning and the house being a tip. You want to have a lay-in, have a cup of tea in bed, get out and not have to do any housework. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a bit of a spring clean. You're in one of those moods, aren't you? Why are you in one of those moods? I've changed into my new winter pyjamas, which I'm really happy about. They're like so soft, and we're gonna put a dinner in the oven. We've got salmon on croûte.
Got a whisk and egg?
Yeah, do you reckon? We've got an egg to spare.
Yeah, let's do it.
So we're having these salmon on croûtes. Apparently looks like that. And this is before. We're going to bake them with, and then we're going to cook some peas, pea leek and pancetta. Here they are afterwards, aren't they glorious?
Have you not noticed that I've started laying the table for you?
I actually hadn't noticed that.
Because you like it the wrong way around.
I eat the wrong way around. That's so bad, isn't it? I think I'm actually a little bit ambidextrous.
Well, then why can't you eat it the right way around?
Because it doesn't work.
But ambidextrous means...
But I can do it with both hands. Yeah, I write with my right, but I eat with my left. It just makes more sense to me that way. And also, sometimes at circus, I do it the left hand side way.
Oh.
Interesting. Well, this is our dinner.
Because he sent a WhatsApp to Luke on my phone as if it's from me about jugs, and I'm not saying no more.
Happy birthday to you.
You don't know where it goes.
It's been a while. Hey guys, it is Sunday morning and it is 11:30 and G and I are shooting. He's helping me shoot a brand job which I didn't get around to doing last week, but yeah, I'm wearing a shirt with my pearls. I'm standing on a part of the lounge I've never stood on before. I'm literally standing on this is slightly dangerous. Maurice does it though. And yeah, we're shooting this job, which I'm really happy with the pictures for. Oh my god, naughty! Yeah, Maurice has started jumping on the kitchen counter. He's got so big and so like muscular that he can jump anywhere now, and we're having to really like tell him off when he jumps on here, because obviously this is where we prepare our food and it's just not a good habit to get into. I've got one more job to shoot now in my PJs, so I'm going to do that really quickly, and then we're going to go for brunch with my parents, which I'm really looking forward to. How good does this look? Folded eggs, curry folded eggs, I think. Oh my god, I had such big plans to vlog all day today. It hasn't happened like that, but today's so exciting because I'm going back to circus, a circus lesson for the first time since March. Me and my circus pals, we decided to group together and book like a private tutor for like a 4-week block of trapeze classes. And if you've been with me since before lockdown, you'll know that I used to do trapeze and circus every week. Used to bloody love it, my fave hobby. And so yeah, got my gym gear back on in Peckham to do a class for the next 4 weeks on a Sunday evening, which is so cool. Awful angle, but I am driving home. I found that so difficult. Oh my god, all my other classmates had been going to like other courses and like practice time at other kind of aerial spaces, and I obviously haven't been up in the air since March, and like by the end of it I could not hold my body weight anymore. I couldn't even pull myself up to sit on the bar. It was really difficult, and I think it's my arms and also my core, like my abs did not want to get me up there. So like I started the class being really excited to be back there and like really hyped, and then I left the class feeling in agony and just feeling really shit about myself because I don't know if I'm in focus. I'm feeling really shit about myself because I am not as strong as I used to be, and to think that I've been doing circus for like I think 5-6 years now, and for all my strength to have gone, and I was really strong, I was really strong, yeah, to feel how shit I am now, it's a bit unmotivating. So I'm a bit sad and also in agony. Like I've got a really big bit of skin come off of my hand, and I hit one of my toes going up on the bar, so I've got like a bit of skin missing from one of my toes and it really hurts in my shoe. I guess from this I could take it as like I could use it as something to really push me to want to work harder, but it's quite difficult to get into that mindset, isn't it, and just want to give up a little bit. But I love my circus friends, and that circus place was really freaking cool. Like as you can see, the backdrop was awesome. So yeah, I would like to keep going. I've got, I think, as many Sundays as there is in October. That's how many classes I've got. So maybe by the end of like the next 4 weeks, I'll have my strength back up to a little bit of what it was. I'm about to drive over Tower Bridge. This drive is gorgeous. 20-minute drive home over the tower. What a beauty. What a beautiful drive home. Oh my god, I love London. Hey guys, it is Monday, lunchtime. We have no food in the house. We are due to do a food shop this evening. So over lunch today, which is a takeaway, which is naughty, but we've ordered a veggie pret and we've got like a sweet potato salad bowl, which I'm really looking forward to. I'm starving today. Over lunch we're going to choose our recipes for the week and write up a shopping list. I do love doing this. It makes me feel like a proper grown up.
Oh, I was licking it.
You're so funny. You're holding onto my leg. Oh, today it's been a nice kind of chilled one. I'm in bed with my hot water bottle because I came on my period this morning and oh my god, I'm in agony. But yeah, I've just been working on some campaigns from bed with my hot water bottle, which has been nice. Look at this injury. Can you see that? Like, I've got a gash on my hand from circus last night. Ouchie. Went and did the food shop. We're cooking a lamb sandwich for dinner with peas. The meals this week that we got ingredients for in our food shop is firstly this pork and mash gorata. 5 ingredients from our fave cookbook, Jamie's 5 ingredients. It's just like mashed potato, cheese and pork, which looks so freaking good. Veggie dish of the week is going to be the speedy spinach curry. So we're going to have that on Tuesday night. We're going to have the aromatic lamb curry, which is aubergines, onion, lamb, Rogan Josh and yolks.
Not tonight though.
Not tonight. I should also say that these are all recipes that we haven't yet cooked from this recipe book. So that looks so good. Yeah, we need to make... Oh, where is our brunch one gone? This is what we're having for brunch. We could add... The pancetta was actually with the pork, so we could have the pancetta with this as well. Here's my peas. This is the sarnie. It's huge. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and my hair is soaked. I just went out for a really nice coffee date with a girl that lives in the same kind of block of flats as me. Her name's Charlie Cohen and she's an awesome fashion designer. I'll leave a link to her Instagram down below. Oh my god, Maurice! It's so nice to have a kind of girly mate on your doorstep. So we just went to a coffee shop for a catch up and I brought home a coffee and a tiny little sweet potato sausage roll, which I'm eating. It's 2 o'clock. Blimey. I had a really bad headache this morning, so I wasn't in the mood for like working. I did all my like work for the day and I'm thinking this afternoon I might try and tackle some of the drawers in my office because I've got so many drawers that are kind of a bit of a mess and I know that I could utilise them much better, so we'll do a little bit of a declutter and an organise. Okay, so this is one of the drawers that I want to sort out. As you can tell, it is a tip. I haven't looked in this drawer in ages and I can't even remember what was in it. Quite a few different like Muji little compartments here, which I mean could be put to better use, but yeah, I need to sort this drawer out. Maurice is being so cute with this. He was trying to open this, he couldn't get it open. You can't open it like that. Look at your little paws. Look at your little paws. I've organised this drawer. I have some miniature makeup things. I love this little NARS blusher. Look, it fits in the palm of my hand. These are great for like going away or just like testing lots of different ones without having to buy the full size. So I'm looking forward to trying all these, and we've got some full size ones as well, and just a couple of like beauty bits, eyelash curlers and some tweezers. So tonight for dinner we're cooking our speedy spinach curry. We need cashew nuts, an onion, Rogan Josh, paneer and spinach. 5 ingredients. Babe, you've got little teardrops on your glasses because of the onions. That's so cute. Look how good this looks. With little cashew nuts on top. Our bake-off dessert of choice this week. Goo free from, I think these are vegan and gluten-free. Yeah, vegan, gluten-free, vegetarian cheesecakes. Or the other option is this vegan coconut revolution salted caramel chocolate pot. I can't decide what one I'm gonna have. I might make G try the cheesecake and then decide. I am aching so much from my circus class that I've decided to have a bath with some Epsom salts to try and like soak my muscles out. And this guy just loves watching me in the bath. Don't ya? You love it. You're like, what's going on? Having a groom too. We're having a pamper night. These were the Epsom salts I used, Dr. Teal's Relax and Relief. They're very, very nice. I am going to bed now, but I hope you've enjoyed this weekly vlog and I will see you next week.